Hi folks, it's Robin Clayton and I want to welcome you back to my channel Zodicatthefarm, where I create these gorgeous garden glass flowers and more. So this is the 3-piece that we're going to be working on today. So I hope that you will stay with me because I'm going to give you my tips from A to Z on how I create these gorgeous garden glass flowers for your home or for your garden. All right, so now let's move on to the items that you're going to need to complete this project, and then we will move on to the cutting stage. All right, stay with me. As I always indicate when I do these videos, all of the items that you're going to need to complete these projects are listed in the description box below. But for the sake of just doing a quick overview, you're going to need your plates set up just exactly as you want them to appear upon completion. You're going to need to have safety wear, preferably safety goggles. You're going to need to have gloves when working with the glass. You're going to need to have some type of mounting hook. If you're not going to be mounting them outside, you don't need a mounting hook. You're going to need a toggle bolt. You're going to need to have washers. You're going to need to have a Phillips head screwdriver. You're going to need to have a drill. I use a drill press with a diamond tipped drill bit. If you don't have a drill press, you can use a regular cordless drill or quarter drill with a diamond tipped bit. Okay, so I think that's pretty much everything. If I've left anything out, it'll be in the description box below. Hey guys. All right, I'm over here at my drill press station and I'm going to be cutting this yellow glass flower. So getting everything set up with the chuck. I need to elevate this a little bit. It's always super important to put gloves on. A little bit of water here. It helps me break up my sediment. Hope everybody's doing well today. And we just, okay, it's too short, so I've got to elevate this even more. Okay, and as you can see, I've marked that center with a black magic marker. So it's right about there. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of water there. Give it one more check. And here we go. So this is slow. Okay, they're perfectly through. I hope you can see that hole. It went straight through. Perfect cut. All right, so now let's go ahead and move on to assembly. Okay, folks, here are the 3 pieces that I'm going to be working with today. The first thing that I'm going to do is take my hook. I'm going to put my washer there. I'm going to take my toggle bolt and I'm going to stick that straight through just like that. I'm going to take my plate, stick my flower hook straight through, put another washer right there, and take my gorgeous flower petal and stick that straight through just like that, and then place another washer right there. I'm going to switch hands here and I'm going to take my this is 3/16 of an inch toggle bolt, and I'm going to go ahead and get it started just like this. Take my orb, press that in so it clicks in, and I gotta pull this just a little bit back out. Okay, so that's clicked in. Again, turn it on its side very carefully. Make sure this is in the forward position. turn this over one more time just to check this out. And there it is. Stuff to the side. All right, folks, that is pretty much a wrap here today. I'm not going to show you what it looks like on the stand. You can go back to other videos to observe how I mount these on the stand, both internally and externally. But I just wanted to share this particular flower that I completed today with you. So again, I want to thank you for joining me here at Zodicatthefarm at the farm. If you have any questions, you can email me at my website at www.zodicatthefarm.com, or if you're interested in purchasing any of these pieces, you can also find them on my website at www.zodicatthefarm.com. All right, have a blessed weekend and a blessed new week, and I hope to see you next time here at Zodicatthefarm at the farm. Many blessings sent your way. Take care. Bye-bye.